Is happening right now, but one thing we know for sure, we have a stormy night out there right now. We've had a lot of storms coming into the area this afternoon.
We have been. It's been a busy weekend so far. We felt the cooler air yesterday, and it sure has bottomed out today with temperatures only in the mid-50s, Wayne, so it's definitely cool outside and active. We have the shower activity as well, so with those pockets of sunshine, that's helped allow for a couple thunderstorms to develop. And then with that cooler air, especially as you're moving aloft with height there, and it's going to cause some issues. So this is what we're looking at right now. Radar is very active through the Cascades into areas of the gorge. I mean, this is going to be some heavy rain here, moderate rain showers, and a bit of a break for parts of the Willamette Valley, but we've had our fair share as well for today, and there's still another round of showers and possible thunderstorms to the west, and the majority of this is all traveling directly towards the east. Up towards Vancouver right now, some very heavy rain. We may even see a little bit of small hail embedded into some of these cells. That goes for Camas too. Downpours coming out of Gresham and Damascus. And if you look over towards Hillsborough, you do have a bit of a break at this time, but you've had some rain as well today. That cell just to the east of Salem here at one point in time was a little bit stronger, but notice that it's still intact, and it's going to continue to move off towards the east. So everything in between here, I mean, Silverton, if you're not seeing the rain at your house right now, it's there. And just any moment, next 5-10 minutes, you'll be seeing some rain. All right, radar up towards the north as well. I don't want to leave you out from Battleground all the way up towards Amboy and towards the west there. It is very heavy. That heavy rain is going to continue, but some drier conditions just to the west on the other side of the river there over towards Scappoose. So you will have some dry time heading into this evening. Here's the look outside right now over Portland, looking towards the west there. It's gray. It's been gray on and off with the showers, and some of the clouds even look a bit rough. They look like they're going to produce a downpour, and they sure are. Here's the weather headlines. Look, yeah, a bit cool and showery this weekend. We'll keep that in the forecast for tomorrow as well. And although it shouldn't be as active for our Sunday, I'm still going to leave a small threat for some thunderstorms and some downpours in the forecast. One thing that you will notice, though, with that area of low pressure trying to scoot on out of here, that the gradient and the pressure is going to be a little bit more intense. That means the wind is going to be strong as well. So prepping for this tomorrow, we do have a wind advisory. It goes into place at 8 a.m. for areas of the Dalles over towards Arlington. This is going to be running out of the northwest. Anywhere from about 25, 35 miles per hour. We may see gusts to about the 50-mile-per-hour range, so do anticipate it to be a breezy day for tomorrow. Max wind gusts today are pretty high and strong. We do have, anywhere from about 20 to 30 miles per hour there for the coast and in the valley. But areas like Madras topping off in the lower 40s. The wind gust forecast, this isn't for Portland tomorrow. I actually just want to show you the Dalles because this is where it's going to be the strongest. And notice that does increase as we go through the day, but running out of the northwest. Current conditions in Portland at 54 degrees with some showers. We'll keep showers in the forecast for the remainder of today. We'll have some more rain, not only tomorrow, but we might have a couple showers on Monday and Tuesday as well. I have us at 63 degrees tomorrow, 65 on Monday, so below average. We're supposed to be in the lower 70s. So we're kind of a little bit cooler. We'll just call that for now. 67 degrees on Tuesday. We have a bit of a burst in some temperatures though on Wednesday. Look at that. It's a little bit warmer, mid-70s, maybe upper 70s on Wednesdays with some warmer air. A weak area of high pressure rolling in towards the end of the week. That should keep us fairly dry. In the meantime, Wayne, though, we're staying lower 60s. We'll talk about maybe a chance for some thunderstorms tomorrow as well.
Yes.